Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to download or install Victoria 3 game on PC via the Steam launcher for free. So without wasting time, here follow the steps. So open Steam, go to the store page and in search the store, search for the Victoria 3 and then click on this Victoria 3 game. Scroll down and here you will see play Victoria 3. Play for free until 4th May. So click on this play game button. And here you can see Victoria 3 and this file size is 17.55 GB. So click on install, read the EULA, then click on accept, go to library and here you can see Victoria 3 game is getting downloaded on my PC. So I hope by following these steps you can easily download or install Victoria 3 game for free on Steam until 4th of May 2026. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.